Let's talk about the wildest airport you'll ever step into, Changi Airport in Singapore. It's been named the world's best airport 12 times, and once you're here, it all makes sense. This place isn't just where planes land, it's where your layover turns into a mini vacation. So, if you have a layover in Singapore, this video is for you. We are diving into everything you can do during your visit. From indoor waterfalls and butterfly gardens to free movie theaters, shopping, hidden lounges, and even a free city tour if you have time. So let's jump in. If there's one thing that makes Changi stand out, it's the jewel. Right at the heart of the airport, this place is a visual treat. The main attraction here is the Rain Vortex, world's tallest indoor waterfall at 40 meters. It looks amazing during the day, but if you are here in the evening, stay for the light and sound show that plays every hour from 7:30 pm to midnight. To visit the jewel, you will need to go from transit area to public area, for which you must have a Singapore visa. If you don't have a Singapore visa, you can still get a glimpse of the Rain Vortex while traveling from Terminal T2 to Terminal T3 by SkyTrain. And the best part, the speed of the SkyTrain slows down near the Rain Vortex for you to have a perfect view. You can view the waterfall from almost every floor. On top floor is the Canopy Park, a fun zone with things like Canopy Bridge, Skynets, and Mirror Maze. It is not free, but we will get into more details about it later in the video. As you go closer, you can actually feel the sound in the midst of the waterfall. The basement floor near the food court has one of the best views. You can literally sit and eat while watching the waterfall right in front of you. Surrounding the waterfall is the Forest Valley, a huge indoor garden. This part is free and open 24/7. It is usually quiet in the mornings, hence the best time to visit is before 9 am to avoid crowd. A few extra tips. If you have luggage, don't worry. There are baggage storage counters at level 1 of the jewel and in all main terminals, so you can roam hands-free. And yes, they have free Wi-Fi, tons of charging points, public seating, and some of the cleanest restrooms you'll ever see in a public space. If you are in Terminal 2, don't miss the Wonderfall, a massive digital waterfall right in the departure hall. It is 14 meters tall, 17 meters wide, and made of Ultra HD LED screens. It shows looping visuals of flowing water and nature scenes that look surprisingly real. You'll pass it on your way to immigration. It's free, easy to spot, and a great stop if you don't have time to visit the jewel. Also, the map you're seeing on the screen is available on Changi Airport's website. You can use it anytime to find your way around the terminals. If you have a long layover, here's something most people don't know about. Changi offers a free city tour of Singapore. All you need is a valid Singapore visa and a layover between 6 to 24 hours. There are 3 tour options. Some focus on city highlights, some show you cultural spots, and a few even take you to Marina Bay. Each tour runs for 2.5 hours, fully guided, and brings you back to the airport on time. But here's the catch, you can't book it last minute. You need to register in advance, ideally 2 to 3 months before your trip, because they fill up fast. We've uploaded a step-by-step guide on how to book the free city tour through Changi's website. You can check that out on our page or hit the link in the description or simply tap the I button to watch it. Here's the list of timings for all the tours, so you can see which one works best with your flight. Changi also has free movie theaters and they are open 24/7. You'll find them in Terminal 2 and Terminal 3 inside the transit area. The theaters sometimes close for short maintenance breaks, so you can check the current status and timings on Changi's official website. The setup actually feels like a small cinema. You can just walk in, sit down, and chill. No bookings required, no payment, and no hassle. Shopping at Changi feels like walking through a luxury mall and not an airport. The stores here aren't just about what they sell, it's how they look. LV and Tiffany have some of the most beautifully designed storefronts at the airport with stunning architecture and lighting that instantly catch your eye. You'll find everything from high-end luxury brands to unique local souvenirs. Plus, there's a huge duty-free zone for you to explore. Hidden inside Terminal 3, there's a full-blown butterfly garden, home to over 1,000 butterflies, colorful plants, and even a small waterfall that adds to the peaceful vibe. It is not a massive space, but it feels like a mini rainforest. It is open to all transit passengers and completely free to visit. As you walk through the terminals, keep an eye out. There are massive art installations and mini gardens scattered all across the airport. We are talking about giant sculptures, interactive pieces, and dreamy light displays that even make a regular walk to your gate feel special. Earlier, we gave you a glimpse of Canopy Park at the top of the Jewel. Now here's the quick price breakdown. Just entering the park costs around 5 Singapore dollars, but that only covers the basic garden areas. If you want to try the actual attractions like the Skynet, Mirror Maze, or Canopy Bridge, you'll need to pay extra. Each of those starts from about 11 to 18 Singapore dollars, and combined passes can go up to 25 Singapore dollars or more depending on what you choose. We've added the detailed price list on the screen and in the description below. There are snooze lounge across the terminals, and yes, they are exactly what they sound like. These are quiet zones with recliner-style chairs, dim lighting, and a peaceful vibe, perfect for catching a nap during a layover. It is free of cost, and you'll find them in Terminal 1, 2, and 3 inside the transit area. Changi has several other lounges that offer free food and drinks. If you have an Indian credit card or debit card like HDFC, Axis, ICICI, or even Forex cards, there's a huge chance that you get a free or discounted access to lounges like Plaza Premium Lounge or Ambassador Transit Lounge. And if you're curious, we can make a separate video showing exactly how we used an Indian credit card to get access to the Ambassador Lounge here in Singapore. Just let us know in the comments. And that's a wrap. If this helped you plan your time at Changi, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more such travel tips. See you in the next one.